Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best privacy window film that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Rabbitgoo 3D Static Decorative No Glue Privacy Window Films. This window films by Rabbitgoo are easy to apply and needs no glues or adhesive. It will allow lights in and provide privacy in your room. In addition to that, it will block out 96% of UV rays, thus your room's furniture will never fade or look old. This energy-saving windows films will keep heat out during summer and will also retain it during winter. Removing this window films will leave no residue and can be used again. You simply use soapy water to mount and there is no toxic glue needed. Besides that, it has a unique design and will make your home or office to look beautiful. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the CottonColors 3D Static Decoration Window Film, 35.4 x 78.7 inches. This is among the best privacy window films that you can find in the market. It will block out up to 85% sunlight during the summer season and will reduce 30% warmness lost during winter. Each roll measures 35.4 in by 78.7 in and weighs about 700 grams. Moreover, this window film will protect your body health as well as bring safety from broken glass. Ideally, you will notice that it is easy to fix, remove, and you can likewise reuse it. This window film is widely suitable at any place, including your lobby, classroom, hotels, office, dining room, living room, bedroom, and kitchen. It is easy to install with no bubbles, no fading, and it has a long using time. At number 3, we have the Rabbitgoo Premium 3D Static No Glue Decorative Privacy Window Films. Rabbitgoo Premium Decorative Privacy Window can be applied everywhere and anywhere, including bedroom, living room, kitchen, bathroom, and furniture. It features beautiful unique patterns that will upgrade your kitchen decor. It is user-friendly as it is easy peel stick application and easy removal while leaving no residue or damage. To install, you need to use soapy water, thus no toxic glue is needed. This privacy window sticker will keep heat out in summer and will retain heat in winter, thus reducing your energy bills. Most emphatically, it will block 96% of UV rays by protecting your home or office furniture from fading. At number 2, we have the Coavas Non-Adhesive Window Film for Home and Office. Among the best picks for decorating your home or office windows, Coavas Non-Adhesive Window Film is a perfect solution. It is very effective on blocking out 99% of ultraviolet rays and harmful solar rays, thus minimizing fading on furniture that is caused by direct sun rays. Moreover, this window film will preserve heat during winter and provide heat insulation in the summer, helping you to reduce expensive cooling and heating costs. The window film will offer great privacy 24 hours a day, letting you enjoy life safely and easily. Other than that, it comes with an anti-scratch layer that will resist friction, easy to remove, practical and economical. And finally, at number 1, we have the Rabbitgoo Privacy Decorative 3D Pebble Glass Window Film. Featuring elegant decorations, Rabbitgoo Privacy Window Film will turn your windows into a work art. Other than that, it will provide privacy while allowing the light in the house. This decorative window film will control heat and will also block 96% of UV rays that may damage your skin or fade your furniture. Ideally, it has a removable glass sticker that will leave no residue and the film can be used again. This window covering will diffuse direct sunlight while preventing glares. The installation process is very easy that won't damage the glass. In conclusion, this glass window film will create privacy while limiting the view of onlookers. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.